Samsung DeX is amazing. With DeX, we can hook up our Galaxy device to our PC and take full control of it. We can have up to 5 applications open at once, actually even more if you install Samsung Good Lock, and we can completely control our Samsung Galaxy device. However, according to this article, and after doing some fact checking, it turns out that once One UI 7 comes out, the Samsung DeX PC companion app is no longer going to be available. So what does that mean to us? Well, what it means is this configuration that you see right here in front of you is no longer going to exist. So moving forward, when you connect your Galaxy device up to your PC with a cable here, we got the USB-C cable going on, you're no longer going to be able to use the companion app that you see on the screen now. All you're going to have access to is the Link to Windows app. And we already have that on our Galaxy devices. Let me show you that real quick. We'll just dip into our settings here, and it's going to be under Connected Devices, and there's Link to Windows right there. Now, why this is happening, I'm not really sure. I think it has to do with Samsung really focusing on security lately because the Link to Windows is supposed to be a very secure connection to our devices. So Samsung is probably giving into that and having Microsoft lead the way as far as that security measure goes. It's rather unfortunate for us, but I do want to throw this out there. Though we are losing the wired connection to our PC, we're going to lose that ability. You'll still be able to cast wirelessly and by plugging in directly to a monitor with a USB-C to HDMI cable. I'll show a sample of what that looks like right here. We actually featured that in a recent video covering Samsung Good Lock. So you'll still have that ability, but unfortunately, we're going to lose the ability to plug our Galaxy device directly into our PC, pull up the Samsung DeX app, and then take full control of our device right from our PC, which is a real bummer because obviously we have a built-in mouse and keyboard all ready to go. You know, the alternative is we wire this into a monitor, which you can do that, USB-C to HDMI, but now you're relying on a Bluetooth keyboard and mouse to give you input functionality. So in January, when One UI 7 comes out, one of two things are going to happen in which Samsung is going to implement this change. Either the Samsung DeX PC companion app is no longer going to be available online, or Microsoft will roll out an update to Windows to check if your connected device is running One UI 7, in which case it'll no longer allow DeX to load up. I think it's going to be the first of the two, and based on that, I'd recommend that you head out now and go ahead and grab the Samsung DeX app for your PC, because in about a month and a half, you're not going to be able to find it anymore. That's what my gut's telling me. I mean, think about it really. How's Microsoft really going to enforce that? I really doubt if they're going to put an update out that really checks on the device. You know what I mean? So Samsung's going to pull this application. So head on out now, grab it so you can use DeX in the future. And I don't know how it's going to work out with using Link to Windows as far as multitasking, because that's a beautiful thing about DeX is we have more than one app open at a time. Link to Windows isn't really about asynchronous activity. It's about synchronous activities. So I'm not sure how they're going to pull that off. Hopefully we don't lose all of our core functionality that we have right here. So keep a lookout for when One UI 7 comes out in January. We are going to see DeX for PC basically go away. All right, if you have any questions or comments about today's video, please drop them down in the comments section below. I really do appreciate your time. And as always, thanks for watching.